We're here at Legacy Ford Ponoka. My name is Stephen Gao. Today we're going to be looking at this 2013 GT500 Shelby Cobra. We have this car priced at $59,994. An amazing deal on a vehicle of this stature. There's tens of thousands of add-ons to this vehicle as well. It comes with a wide body SVT kit that was installed by an SVT dealer. You'll see in the front quarters and the rear quarters it's got a wider base to the body now to accommodate more tire and rubber for the road. This vehicle's got a 5.8 liter V8 attached to a 2.3 liter Eaton supercharger, so you're going to be producing 662 horsepower, 631 foot-pounds of torque. You can also see it has custom wheels, obviously a power top. It's going to fold down within a couple seconds for you, so once summer weather hits, it'll be nice cruising on the highway or on the track. On the back, you're going to see a quad tip SVT Cobra performance exhaust, badging, billet gas cap from SVT as well. Inside, you're going to have your SVT seats, leather interior. You're still going to have your sync hands-free for your phone, music. This car is also equipped with electronic dampering and steering, so if you do take it to the track or want that performance feel while you're on the highways, it's going to provide that for you, or you can set it back to comfort mode. We're here at Legacy Ford in Ponoka. You can direct message us on Facebook or give us a call at 403-783-5501. My name's Stephen Gao. Let your legacy start here.